We see here from our save options that the difference in how we save the merged document file. We had the option to choose it as a single file, to save it as a single file, or to save it as individual files. And we see that we have both here. We have all these merged OpenOffice documents have a number after them, and those are the numbers of the individual letters or records in our database. And we see if we open up one of them, we can see this is the field, the data entry of Nathan, and we can also see that there's only one letter in that whole document. Each one is an individual letter. If we go back into our merged document, we can also save it as a single document, and that will create one file, and all of the letters, they'll be saved as individual letters or individual pages within that file. So here we see that on the top left hand corner, the first file is just a plain merged OpenOffice document. It doesn't have any number behind it, and that would give us the option to save it as one file with 7 letters inside the file.